Hey my friend, Dylan DeFazio here, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be going over how I set up my daily broadcasts. Now, if you're not broadcasting to your list every single day, you're really missing out. I didn't broadcast to my list for a while. Now, I have, a pretty decent list, but there's a lot of inactive subscribers because I neglected to email them every day. So as you see here, the open rates aren't the greatest, but what I'm kind of doing right now is I'm just, email blasting to kind of siphon out the older emails that don't really relate to what I'm doing right now. And by doing that, I'm adding new subscribers every single day using our paid advertising, which if you guys want to get access to any of my paid ads inside of the Six Figure Clan group, that's where I'm going to be giving access to those paid ad campaigns. So definitely join that group. There'll be a link in the description if you want to join that group. But what I'm going to be writing an email on today is MCA. I'm just going to write up a quick little email. I'm going to show you what we're going to do is we're going to write the email focused on the getting paid on the referral plan. So I'm going to go down to compensation plan. We're going to head over to our email list, and I'm going to use HTML editor because that's what I like. Now, you can use this for any program, whatever you're promoting, whatever product it might be. This formula can, you can use it and it works. What you want to do first things is you want to get a headline that's going to that's going to pop, that's going to make people click. So let me just see here, right? So say we went out and signed up, 5 people, $410, 10 people, $840. So let's just go. How does an extra 800, I think it was 840. $840 per week sound? Question mark. Hey, now that we have the headline, what you want to do is the first line of, the first beefy line, you want to have something that's going to make them click. So when they open their email, they, not only see the headline, but they also see the first line of text, which is very enticing. Now, what we can do here is, alright, so we've got our quick little, enticer, which is going to help them, get into our email. That's the name of the game. Now, what we want to do is we want to, kind of keep it nice and simple and lead into the the first call to action. So what I like to do you need some fast cash here? All right, so there's our first call to action. Something very basic. You want to get them enticed. You want to hit a pain point if you can. Do you need some extra cash? Maybe they're tight on cash. They want to get some. They're looking for some extra cash pretty quickly. And then here's a simple system that anyone can use to start earning an extra $840 per week. So again, we hit what was in the headline. Now, what we want to do is we want to try and close out with a little bit of scarcity. So what we're going to do is, if we can look on this here, let me just see here. All right. So they do offer benefits, so you don't want to miss out on the amazing benefits you get for simply sharing platform. I don't want it to be bold. I'm going to remove that. You can receive up to 70% off discounts on things like travel. Alright, let me just make a little dash here. So what we're doing is we're just trying to fill this little bulk area up with some content. You know, we want to get them, don't miss out on, you know, the amazing benefits you get for simply sharing this platform. You can receive up to 70% discounts on things like travel. So let me just see here. Let's just grab some of these, right? Hotel discount, rental cars. So let's go back. So what we're doing is we're just grabbing, you know, we're just grabbing information from the site. Now you can do this for any sales page. I'm just using this one as an example because I'm actually writing this email and I'm going to send it out to my list. So hotel discounts, rental discounts, dental discounts. So what we could do, we could actually even go here and go as far as, there we go. That's much nicer. All right. Boom. So we'll change that to 65% and boom. All right, so now we want to close it out quick. Don't miss out on these amazing benefits. Click the button or click the link below to get started today. Click here to claim your benefits. Alright, so I hope you guys see how simple that was and kind of the mindset behind it. Literally all I did was, you know, I just went through the page that I was going to be sending people to and I grabbed some information from that page and I crafted an email. Now, this is very powerful because these emails can be used for two things. They can be used for your legacy follow-up series, which is, you know, when people opt into a page about a certain offer. So when people opt into my MCA offer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to the, you know, to the follow-up sequence because this is a good email. This is a good email promoting, you know, promoting our offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here. And, you know, as I said before, if you guys want access to the funnel that I'm using to promote MCA, whether you're an MCA member or not, you know, I'll give you access to the funnel. All you got to do is join the Six-Figure Clan Facebook group, and I'll give you access to the funnel there. This video is just focused on, you know, what I'm doing to send out emails. Now, I do this for several different things. You know, when I'm promoting Online Sales Pro, when I'm promoting a Warrior Plus offer, you know, it doesn't matter what you're promoting. Go to the sales page that you're sending them to. Make sure there's enough information that you can actually craft an email, but then go through and send, you know, create some email or create some content around what you're going to be sending them to. If it's a video page, watch the video, extract some content from that video, and put it into an email. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to font change it to Georgia because that's what I like. And we're going to done. We're just going to simply read over, you know, hey, do you need some extra cash fast? here is a simple system that anyone can use to start earning an extra $840 per week. Click here to get started. You don't want to miss out on this, on the amazing benefits you get for simply sharing this platform. You can receive up to 65% discounts on things like, and then we go over the discounts. Don't miss out on these amazing benefits. Click the link below to get started today. Boom. So not only are we showing them that they can make money, but we're also showing them that they're going to receive something, for taking their time to click the button and actually, go through and see, what the hell this is all about. So we're going to save and exit out of this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to schedule this post here. So now another thing that you can do is if you want to add an image, what we can do here is we can just go through. Let me just copy the image address, right? So if we want to go through and we want to edit this, what we can do, I'm just going to open this up. What we can do, I'm in the HTML editor. So what you could do if you were in, a different editor, I'm not going to mess around with it, it'll take too long, but you can input an image. Sorry about that, still getting over a little cold here. But what you can do is you can input an image if you want. Right now what we're going to do is we're just going to leave it. So I'm going to copy this, and the first one I'm going to add to the follow-up series. So I already have one email in there, so I'm going to add this to the second one. We're going to send it at, let me just see here. I like to send mine later in the afternoon, right after lunch kind of thing. And we're going to send that. So 1:30 p.m. So that's going to schedule for our MCA list. As you guys see here, we have 2 emails so far. And, if you guys get access to the funnel, I'm going to give you that ad campaign as well, which as you see here, I'm going through, I'm typing out these emails as you would if you were promoting anything. They're just going to be done, ready for you, done by me. And all you have to do is just simply, plug in the share code and you'll get access to those. So make sure you join the Facebook group. I can't stress that enough. We'll send this to Twitter. And then I just sent out a broadcast here like 20 minutes ago, as you guys see here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go Mountain Time, and we're going to go 11 p.m. Okay, so we're going to go 11 p.m. Mountain Time. We're going to apply, and boom. So I'm going to send that to all my lists and things like that. So we're just going to send out a nice little broadcast. Now, if you have, if you promote different niches and stuff like that, you obviously want to remove the lists that don't, aren't related. All of my email subscribers are, Make Money Online related. So this works perfect. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Very, very simple. If you want to get access to Aweber or any of the tools I use, I'll leave links for everything in the description below. You can check that out and, grab what you need. Online Sales Pro, is my landing page builder. There's links for that. And then, MCA, Legendary Marketer, things like that. Those are all what I'm running ads to, and those are the campaigns that I'll be giving away inside of the Facebook group. So make sure, head over to the Six Figure Clan Facebook group, request access to join that, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.